Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this gorgeous gift box which is made using paper quilling strips, and I have used here only 3 colors of strips, that is red, maroon and white, and red cardstock. That's it. So using minimal material you can create such wonderful pieces, and you can put lots of gifts inside this like wristwatches, jewelry, chocolates, dry fruits, whatever, and it can hold up to 250 gram of the weight. And this is looking absolutely stunning, isn't it? Very vibrant in color. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am starting with making the base box. For this I am taking 20.2 by 20.2 centimeter red color cardstock. From left side I have creased at 2 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 14.2 centimeters and 18.2 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet, and again from left side I have creased at 2, 6, 14.2 and 18.2 centimeters. Now we just need to create some cuts on all 4 corners so that we can construct the box. So here can you see the crease lines, and now I am going to create some cuts. So first we have to cut on first crease line vertically, and also on second crease line vertically till the second horizontal crease line. Now rotate it, cut the corner piece and also in the bottom. So with the same way we have to cut remaining 3 corners. And it should look like this. Then I am folding all the parts and burnishing it nicely with bone folder for crisp folds. And now it's time to construct the box. So first I am connecting these 2 sides directly like this. And then on another 2 sides we have to connect the flaps like this. First I am just cutting slight slit on all 4 corners so that it will be easier for us to fold these flaps. Now adding glue and creating the box shape. Similarly repeating the process on other side. So our beautiful and sturdy box is ready, and now it's time to decorate this with quilling. So for my first coil here I am taking 1 strip of red color and half strip of maroon color and making 1 tight coil. And after creating the tight coil, the width should be 1 centimeter. So it depends on the thickness of your strip. You may need to get extra strips or less strips, but after creating the complete coil it should be 1 centimeter. I have created a dome and added glue inside this. So we need total 128 coils to create complete base box with the same method, and these are looking like pomegranate seeds, isn't it? Now taking back my box, and we have to connect our coils one by one like this. So according to my box side, horizontally I am going to connect 8 coils and vertically I am going to connect 4 coils. So for one side we are going to connect 32 coils. and this is completely ready. Similarly, going to connect remaining 3 sides, and on the opposite side I have just kept upper line as it is because we are going to connect our flap on top of this. So I'm just telling you the measurement of the flap, and this measures 9.6 by 8.7 centimeters, and from one side I have just folded it at 1 centimeters. Now adding glue on the folded part, and before that we have to just cut these 2 corners to match with the edge of the box. So I am cutting a small slit only in the bottom folded part from both the sides, then cutting it little bit diagonal and then sticking it with the box. And this is done, and then I am going to complete the remaining part by adding 8 tight coil domes. And our box is completely ready, and the lid is also attached. So easy. Now to make the closure, here I am taking 8.7 by 2.5 centimeter red cardstock. I have just folded this at 0.5 centimeters. Now we have to connect this with the front flap like this, and it will go inside the box. So again the inner part is smaller, so we have to make small slits here so that it will go easily inside the box. And it's going easily now. Just on this 0.5 centimeter folded flap, adding glue and connecting with the lid. Burnish it nicely, and the box with the lid is ready. Here I am decorating my box from inside using this beautiful pattern paper by Dress My Craft. So similarly I am going to decorate the remaining parts. And after decoration, our box is more sturdier and it is closing nicely. Now I have decided to fill the gaps between each coil using small half cut pearls. So here I am taking 3 mm white color pearls and just connecting between these coils to decorate my box little more. So completing this pattern on all 4 sides, and after adding pearls the box will look like this, very pretty. And now it's time to decorate the lid. So here I am taking one more piece of cardstock in red color which measures 14.6 by 14.6 centimeters. From left, top, right and bottom I have folded at 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters. So just created the creases. Now can you see here crease line? So on this 4th crease line I am marking at 1 centimeters. Similarly marking from right side at 1 centimeters on 1st and 2nd horizontal line. Then we have to join these markings diagonally from top, then straight line, again diagonal, then straight in the bottom and then horizontal. Similarly repeating it here. And now I am cutting the pencil markings. With the same method I am doing the cutting in the other side. Now folding all the creased parts, burnish it nicely and constructing the shadow box. So shadow box is ready. I am just adding few drops of glue in 4 corners and this is done. Then adding glue on top of the shadow box and sticking it exactly in the center of the box lid, so that we will have little dimension on the lid. Then here I am taking 4 strips of maroon color in 3mm and making one big tight coil. I am showing you how to make the center bead, which is quilling bead, and using that bead we can easily open the box and it will also give the jewelry box look. Now using the tight coil I am just creating the dome shape. Add glue inside this dome. Similarly, I have prepared one more dome, so connecting both the domes together and the quilling bead is ready. Then I am just creating the center marking like this and exactly in the center adding glue and sticking my quilling bead. After that, adding glue on this bottom edge on the lid, and I am decorating this with these tight coil domes which are made using 1 strip of white color and half strip of maroon color. The process is same. So the 4-side decoration is done, and also I have decorated the bottom of this center bead using white color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. Now again on the edge of the shadow box corner I am decorating with these tight coil domes which are made using half strip of red and half strip of maroon color. So decorating from all 4 sides. And this is done. Now at the end I am just adding some more white tight coils around the center bead which are made using 1 strip of white and half strip of maroon color. These are also dome shape. So here I have just connected with the basic theme of tight coils. I haven't changed any pattern here, like I didn't add any flowers or any other pattern leaves. I have just stuck with the pattern and created this harmony design of the box which gives nice beautiful look, and also use the same shades for all over the box decoration. Now for the finishing touch I am just adding red color stones on these white tight coils also in the center. And the super gorgeous gift box, come jewelry box, come chocolate box, come utility box is ready, and you can put lots of gifts inside this. And as I have said earlier, it can hold up to 250 grams of weight, and it's quite sturdy, hard and stiff. So I'm just happy with the results, and you can create this in many colors for the gifting purpose. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.